Good morning to one and all. I am Dr. Mahadev Wagmade, Head Department of English, Pankaj Arts and Science College, Chopra. Today I am going to discuss with you about transnationalism. In the previous lecture we discussed about diaspora. Diaspora means to cross the border of nation, to cross the border of your region, and also migrate from one place to another place. Transnationalism is one of the features of diaspora. First we will see the definition of transnationalism. Randolph S. Bourne in his 1916 article Transnational America used the term transnationalism and also emphasized the importance of the American immigrants to maintain their culture. In the 1990s, the term began to be used frequently and particularly to describe new trends in immigration patterns. So this transnationalism came into existence in 1990s. This term was frequently used for immigration patterns. People migrate from their country to other country. They live in that country forever. The people migrate from their country to other country in search of jobs, in search of education, in search of business, and they permanently settle in that country. So transnational migrants are active participants in the social and cultural lives of the settled country. They are not a traveler because they settle and involve in the economy and political institutions, localities and patterns of daily life of the country in which they reside. These transnational migrants, they permanently settle in the host country. They involve in the day-to-day activities of that country. They involve in the activities of economy. They involve in politics. They also involve in the daily life of that country where they reside. So transnational communities are the communities whose identity is not based on the attachment to their country of origin. The concept of transnational community emphasizes on human beings such as individuals, families and local groups keep cross-border activities. These transnational migrants not only involved in the activities of their country of origin, but also they involve in the country where they reside. So this new trend was emerged in 1990s. These human beings such as individuals, families and the local groups, they involve in the activities of that country. Because of their involvement, they develop the good relationship between two countries. This transnational activity not only transcends the nation, but it is also where they begin as people live in nation states. So these people develops cultural and also political situations in the host country. According to Ports, transnationalism means occupation and activities that require regular and sustained social contact over time across national borders for their implementation. So this term transnationalism is after 1990s it was developed. Transnationalism means to keep relationship between the country of origin and country of settlement. Means the people who migrate from their country to host country, they keep their relationship between two countries, the country of their origin and country of settlement. So transnationalism is alive in literature of today and it is introducing new way and language in immigration studies. It requires a broad understanding of host country or the country of settlement. So transnationalism creates a greater degree of connections between the land of origin and land of settlement. The migrants who are living in other countries, they are trying to maintain their good relationship to the land of their origin. People cross the border of the country and they connect with each other individually and socially. Okay, today we know there is a development of mobiles, many transport facilities. So these people are in contact with their family members, their friends and relatives. They keep contact with his family, friends, organizations, society of his home country as well as host country. Okay, these people settle in other countries and their organization in their country, but they develop their organization by sitting in the migrated country also because of the transportation facilities, because of the advancement of technology. Migrants are in touch with their homeland or the land of origin in many ways before the advancement of technology also. Now there is a lots of invention in technology, transport and cheap communication rates make them to contact their country of origin. Because of the inventions of mobile phones, they all the time in contact with their country of origin. Because of the transport facility, they continuously travel from this country to that country, country of their settlement and country of their origin, and also they develop their own business in two countries. So Linda Bush, Nina Glickskiller and Christian Blank have written a book on transnational migration. They focused on the four premises of transnational migrants. These four premises focuses on capital and labor, social relations across the border, transnational phenomenon and involvement in the development of two countries. Because of these migrants, we develop these four things: capital and labor, social relationships also develops, and also we involve in the development of two countries. So transnational activity not only transcend the nation, but it is also where they begin as people live in nation states. Okay, transnationalism means not only to cross the border of the nation, the people can transcend the nation sitting at their home place or the native state also. Stephen Wartock in his book Migrant Transnationalism describes transnationalism is a broad category which refers ranges of practices and institutions. It keeps the social, political and economic relations across borders. Because of this transnationalism, they keep contact with other country socially, politically and economically also. According to Madison, moving to a foreign place and international travel are for freedom and independence of an individual. So Madison, he defines that to travel to other country internationally means it is a freedom and also the independence of an individual. It means they are not to move for economic purpose. People travel or live abroad for reasons other than money also. In the age of globalization and invention of new technology, it is possible to connect our home country with increasing speed and efficiency. So this is called transnationalism. Thank you for listening patiently. If you like my video on transnationalism, please subscribe it. Thank you.